Hello guys, welcome to another video, and this is a special video request made by one of my subscribers that I should do websites that don't require VPN or proxy. So with me, I only have two websites right now. Number one is the website that I'm working with, and the second one is another alternative that I will show you how we'll do the application process. So without anything else, let's dive straight into it right away. Okay, number one on the site, I have Micro One. So if you haven't heard of Micro One, so Micro One is a website, it's a hiring website that has so many opportunities globally, internationally, whichever place you are, you can apply for Micro One without proxy or even VPN. This is proxy free and VPN free, trust me. It's the one that I'm currently working with, and the experience has been good. So how do you get to Micro One? How do you get to apply and to tackle these jobs? So I will be posting all of the jobs that Micro One is currently hiring on the video description and on this channel. So please do subscribe to stay updated, because I will be posting every week new job links posted by Micro One. The application process. So the application process, it's not really that tough. Application process, what you need to do is look for the the job that you think is fit for you, which I'll be posting, don't worry, and I'll mention a few right away. Once you have identified the type of job that you want, you do tailor your CV. To tailor your CV, simply just take your old CV, copy it to ChatGPT, ask it to tailor according to the current job that you have applied for. By doing this, it will be simpler for you, so that when you're applying for these Micro One jobs, they'll be asking questions based on your CV, okay? So tailor your CV according to the job that you want, and be keen, because in the application process, you'll be asked the same things that are on your CV. That is the number one tip that got me a job at Micro One, all right? So once you have tailored your resume and uploaded in the Micro One website, you will be asked to do an AI interview, all right? This AI interview, like I said, it will be asking you questions based on what you have placed on your CV, okay? So for example, if you have applied for graphic design, this is an example. If you have applied for graphic design and you've put in your CV you are familiar with Photoshop, Illustrator, Lightroom, etc., etc. So basically, the AI interview will be asking you questions based on the things you've set in your CV and based on the softwares that you have mentioned in your CV. It's that simple. Once you're done, it's a 20-minute interview, 20 to 15 minutes interview, and once you're done, you will wait for the results. Results usually vary. It depends. It might take close to 1 or 2 weeks for you to get accepted, so you have to be patient, but at most 1 week at least, so that they get back to you. And yeah, once you are done passing the AI interview, good news for you, you'll be selected. They will show you the rate cards, how you'll be working. You'll sign a contract and boom, start working with them right away. It's that simple. Yes, so that's it about Micro One. The number two site is called meridial.ai. So let's take a look at meridial.ai. And this is a site by Invisible, for those who are familiar with Invisible. They do have a wide variety of projects also, AI related. So click here at open projects, and you will see a couple of projects. Once you're on this page, I want you to be keen if they are hiring worldwide remote or for specific countries. Like over here, you can see worldwide remote Japanese, worldwide remote English, worldwide remote English. Yeah, so for worldwide remote English, it means you can apply in any country that you are without proxy or VPN. So for example, me, I'm from Nairobi, Kenya, so I'll look for something that is related in my country. So go over to open projects, and on the left side, you will see search projects. Click here, and then I'll type Swahili. And I can see for my country there's a Swahili project, so click at it, read the description there. You will see the pay rate is $8 to $65 per hour. So a tip on this before you apply for this, again, take your CV, upload it in ChatGPT, ask ChatGPT to tailor it according to this job application that you're applying, and boom, upload it here, fill in your details. Yes, and they'll get back to you. Don't worry, sometimes they do take long, but don't think it will take more than 2 weeks, at least approximately within the time frame of 2 weeks. Yes. So those are the two major websites that I know that I'm working with right now. And yes, I'll put links in the description if you are interested. And do make sure to subscribe to this channel for more job opportunities and more videos and more explainer videos. Let me know in the comment section also if you want which explainer video you want on websites, reviews, etc., and I'll gladly do them for you. My name is Jackman, and I'll see you on the next video. Good luck in your application. Bye bye.